Learning how to use Blender in 30 days. So we're currently on day 20, and I thought it was finally time to start doing some more practice with hard surface modeling. Something I haven't touched upon too much in a while, haven't really done much. I've mainly been focusing on texturing and shading, that kind of stuff, with playing around with texturing nodes. It's not something I've been wanting to figure out, which I actually found considerably easier than I was anticipating. It was still a little tricky trying to figure out how all the shader nodes go together. It feels like you're coding or something, kind of using like FlowLab or something. It's kind of what it feels like you're doing, coding, or not coding, but creating textures with shader nodes. And it's a bit confusing and complex. There's a lot of logic. It feels like you're trying to code a game or something. I don't know. It's confusing. For surface modeling, you can just it's just playing around with geometry and stuff, and creating cool shapes and creating like something cool. Like I decided to create a rocket ship type thing, like sci-fi space shuttle. Not exactly sure what it's gonna end up looking like in the end, but I'm just gonna keep working on it and see what happens. So then I put on the rockets, which was a bit confusing with the because I had giant n-gons. You have the circle ends, which with n-gons you kind of want to avoid those, and I wasn't really sure, so I just did the grid fill, and it kind of looked okay. It did mess up the lighting a little bit, which is not great. Then I tried fixing the tip on the end of the front, because there's a giant pull, which is something you also want to avoid because the lighting looks bad there. It just kind of looked messed up and I wanted to fix it. And I tried fixing it, and instead I think I made it worse. I don't know about you, but it looks worse than if I just left it the way it was. I don't know. I'll have to think of something to do there instead. How to fix it properly. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Then I added in the wings, which was pretty easy. Well, really, I didn't add much details to the wings. I just kind of made a basic outline of what I want to do for wings. In the next episode, I will work on them a bit more, as well as add more detail around, because right now I really just got a basic design. I don't really got anything super serious yet. That's what we'll work on in next episodes. So yeah, that's it for today's episode and series. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.